home appliances have been a key part of our everyday lives for decades. But the best appliances evolve alongside our lifestyles and grow to fit our changing needs. With its bespoke kitchen lineup, Samsung Electronics is driving the growing trend of connectivity within the home in order to bring customers more personalized convenience and intelligent assistance than ever, especially when it comes to our cooking, meal prepping, and other household tasks. Bespoke kitchen appliances, including the Bespoke AI oven and Bespoke 4-door flex with the family hub plus with the latest SmartThings Cooking as introduced at CES 2023, are perfect examples of how intuitive AI-based services can bring a whole new level of customization, convenience, and most importantly, personalization to your home appliance experiences in order to meet your everyday needs. In today's busy world, a little extra help in our daily routines can go a long way toward fostering healthier, happier, and more productive lifestyles. The new Bespoke 4-door flex with a family hub plus refrigerator is more than just a powerful multipurpose home appliance. When it comes to cooking, it is your joint head chef, helping you to take comprehensive control of your kitchen, multitask across a range of cooking-related functions, and get more done all from one screen thanks to its new 32-inch display. With its intuitive dashboard on this largest screen, you can take in the whole meal preparation process at a glance, monitor and receive updates on connected appliances with a single swipe, and make quick configurations to your smart home appliances beyond just the kitchen thanks to SmartThings. During your cooking downtime, you can select from hundreds of shows to watch across more than 190 free Samsung TV Plus channels, and thanks to the new picture-in-picture feature, you can keep shows playing in a separate window while you examine recipes, adjust your appliances, or check in on the progress of your meal. You can also even take the opportunity to keep track of and stock up on pantry items with the Amazon Your Essentials app, which allows you to order household staples with a single click. SmartThings Cooking is every home chef's dream automated assistant. From helping you find recipes curated to what ingredients you have available to auto-setting your connected appliances to the correct cooking instructions and helping you easily keep track of your shopping list, making the most of the food in your fridge has never been easier. SmartThings Cooking can also serve as your own personal nutritionist by syncing with Samsung Health and harnessing your body mass index BMI and daily activity data to provide customized meal suggestions to help you meet your health goals. Whatever your dietary needs may be, these personalized recipes are matched to your taste as well as your health information to ensure you are never at a loss as to what to prepare next. What is more, thanks to its cooking community feature, SmartThings Cooking also makes it easy for you to find and try out thousands of different recipes from all around the world. Through cooking community, you can also share your own favorites with other cooking enthusiasts for a truly connected experience. Discover new inspiration from other food lovers, peruse new and exciting ideas for date night, or even find tips on how to perfect tried and tested family recipes for your next big get-together. Your appliances should not only be able to cater to your diet, they should also be able to elevate your kitchen experiences by actively assisting you in the cooking process. Accordingly, Samsung is introducing its updated Bespoke AI oven to help make your connected kitchen experiences even easier. The Bespoke AI oven comes with a range of upgraded features to assist you with your meal prep. Along with the full steam feature, your AI oven also offers air fry and sous vide options to expand and enhance the way you prepare food. What is more, the updated oven camera utilizes intelligent image-oriented food recognition technology to optimize oven cook settings while timing and monitoring your dish as it cooks, even providing you with burn notifications so that you don't have to worry about overcooking your main dish. When you are ready to start cooking, your Samsung Cooking Assistant provides easy to follow cooking instructions and will automatically sync to your connected appliances such as the Bespoke AI oven to recommend optimized cooking settings by recognizing close to 106 different dishes and ingredients. Plus, thanks to its upgraded inside cameras, users can easily monitor and control what is going on inside their oven remotely using SmartThings. Whether you are trying to cook the perfect steak, bake a centerpiece cake, or simply to air fry vegetables to the perfect temperature, Samsung Cooking and the intelligent features of your connected Samsung appliances can take the stress out of any cooking endeavor. Samsung's latest kitchen appliances provide even more seamless, connected, and customized experiences for cooks of all types, capabilities, and household sizes, no matter what is on the menu. From customizable exteriors to convenient and connected capabilities, Samsung's bespoke appliances are designed to meet the needs of every customer's personalized decor and lifestyles.